Hey guys, this is Wanda the Traveling Dutchie coming right at you from beautiful Costa Rica. In today's video, I want to share with you how I actually make a living online in Costa Rica using affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how I make money online, how I get to lead this fabulous laptop lifestyle in Costa Rica, and how this could work for you no matter where you are in the world. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'm actually a Dutch expat and I've been living in Costa Rica for the last 16 years. With my channel, I hope to inspire people to go after their lifestyle by design, the freedom lifestyle. And of course, I like to educate people on anything related to Costa Rica, whether that is Costa Rica travel or Costa Rica expat living. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and make sure you click that little bell icon so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get into it. What is affiliate marketing? It's actually very simple, guys, and you actually already know it because an affiliate marketer simply produces other people like yourself to products or services of other companies. So for example, any article you read online or a blog, or if you're on a Facebook page, let's say you're reading an article about photography. So in that blog, this person will talk about what camera he or she uses, right? Or what lens to use or what tripod. This is actually a clickable link. So if you actually click on it and you go there, you will actually end up on a payment page. And then once you, let's say, want that camera and purchase it, the person who wrote that blog will actually receive a commission. For example, take my YouTube channel. If you go around, you'll see, for example, I offer hotel reviews. I go out to a fabulous hotel, I make a video, I promote it if I like it. And then if people want to stay there based on my recommendation, there will be a link at the bottom of the description of the video. And if you click on it and you book it, I receive a commission. So you guys, the biggest benefit of affiliate marketing is the fact that you don't actually have to own the product. You don't have to create a website. You don't have to set up a merchant account for people to be able to pay you by credit card. This is all done by the company of the product or service that you offer. This is why it is one of the easiest businesses to start up, because it's so easy to leverage from the other company's services. And you don't have to just stick to promoting just one product, right? You can promote so many different products. Now, how to do this, how to set up your own affiliate marketing business, there's many courses online you can find. Well, I actually did one myself based on a recommendation of my friends. You see, I actually have a travel company, but due to COVID, clearly that didn't go so well anymore. Luckily, my friend, 6 or 7 years ago, she followed a course on how to set up your own affiliate marketing business. Just the blueprint training of it, just for you to get a taste on what it is like, it's only $7 to start. With the one that I recommend that she did, because it's really good in understanding how affiliate marketing works. You don't have to be a techie person, trust me, because I'm not. And remember, you don't have to set up a website or anything complicated like that. You pay $7 and you get a whole training on, first of all, mindset. You get a training on how to get eyeballs on the product that you're offering, how to do the marketing, how to do email marketing. There's even a done-for-you funnel that you can use in case you don't, want to create a YouTube channel, or if you don't want to write a blog because you're not a good writer. There's many different ways to actually set up an affiliate marketing business, and the great thing is everybody can do it. I've seen it now, because now I'm actually in this community of thousands and thousands of people that, like me, did the course. Now I'm a little bit further ahead, so I'm actually making a really nice living from it. And that's what I want for you as well, because I want you to realize you don't have to be stuck in your 9-to-5 rat race. You have a regular job, and you don't have enough time to spend with your loved ones, or you don't have enough time to travel the world or enjoy places like this. this might be the solution for you. And hey, you can just start on the site, right? That's what everybody does, because everybody's of course scared to see like, is this real? I was super skeptical in the beginning as well, because I just didn't understand what affiliate marketing was and how, what would I be doing? What would I be selling? How does it work? I didn't understand. So after I did that $7 blueprint training, it all became very clear to me. And then I continued deeper into the affiliate marketing business, and now I have my own affiliate marketing business, and I love it because you just take your laptop with you wherever you are. And I only work, well, it depends on the day. In the beginning I worked really hard to set it all up, so don't get me wrong, you do have to do all the work, right? And then once you have everything set up, like I already know, so today is Friday, it's 6:30 a.m. So I'll do a little bit of work for 2 hours. And by work, I mean shooting this video. And then I'll just, enjoy the pool, have breakfast, and I'll go to the beach. So you see, that's the flexibility you have when you lead the laptop lifestyle. So if you're tired of your boss, or you simply don't have enough time to enjoy life, start this training. It could change your life like it has mine and so many others. But you gotta do the work, right? Nothing is for free in life. But it's a fabulous training that really step by step teaches you how to set it up, and you get a coach. And you're part of the Facebook group that allows you to, ask a lot of questions, not only to your coach, but also to the people that are in the same exact boat as you, right? Trying to figure it all out. Well, I've done it. I'm nobody special. If I can do it, so can you. Have an open mind. Click on the link below in the description of this video to watch the same video that I watched when I first started with this training program. And then if you like it, you just click on get access, and you take a chance on a new life. I can highly recommend it, you guys. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. You will also see in the description of the video a link to my personal Facebook page in case you want to chat with me first. I would totally understand and be happy to help out. Hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell icon. And I hope you have a fabulous day wherever you are. Ciao from Costa Rica. Pura vida!